force serving multiple counties in our area.
We've now learned that the former director, Cody Smith, pleaded guilty last week to charges that he sold meth seized during the task force's drug investigations. That's as an investigation, a report by the Tennessee Comptroller's Office says he also misappropriated thousands of dollars. News Channel 9's Ja'Kai Spikes breaks down what we know and asks how this might affect cases that Smith investigated while he was with the task force. Ja'Kai.
Josh and Latricia, we're learning more about how Cody Smith's plea could affect the cases he worked on while he was the director of the drug task force. One attorney I spoke with today told me it could call into the integrity of those cases into question. This court document from Marion County shows that Cody Smith pled guilty in Marion County to 2 counts of possession of meth with the intent to sell. Hamilton County District Attorney Cody Womp says her office prosecuted Smith for selling meth. That was in the possession of the drug task force as seized evidence from search warrants. We asked Attorney Bill Speak if Smith's guilty plea could compromise the cases he's worked with the drug task force. He said it's possible it could call into question the integrity of those cases, like these arrests shown on the task force's Facebook page. But there's another layer to this story. According to the Tennessee Comptroller, the former task force director is also accused of Smith appropriating more than $7,000 seized as evidence during investigations. Womp also told us that the DA's office received the Comptroller's findings in January, and by then, the statute of limitations had run.
There's a normal due process that takes place, and sometimes in that due process, facts come out that indicate there was illegal or unethical conduct being done by this particular individual, but it may be years after when the actual incident took place.
In the Comptroller's report, these receipts show the transactions in question. It goes back to 2020. District Attorney Womp told us, quote, "It happens often with theft cases. It was not concerning to us because the drug cases which we successfully prosecuted were much higher felonies."
You know, and sometimes you don't have the investigation complete. First of all, the allegation doesn't come out, and then you don't have time to actually investigate it in time to comply with the statute of limitations.
Drug task force officials told the Comptroller's investigators they have corrected or will correct the deficiency. Josh.
Guy, thank you. We reached out to the 12th Judicial District about who would be replacing Smith as the director of the task force. So far, we have not heard back.